Hi guys, in this video we will see how to set up and connect VPN connection to your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you want to connect or add a VPN connection to your Windows 11 system, here are the process. Very simple, right click on a start button and choose settings. Click on settings, you may press Win+I shortcut key to launch Windows settings page, and here from the left side of settings, click on network and internet settings. Click on network and internet. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and you will find the option VPN. Here you will find VPN connections, add VPN. Click on add VPN and a form will appear available. VPN provider, Windows built-in, connection name, choose a connection name of your VPN such as work VPN or test VPN as per your choice. Server name or address, your server name or address of your VPN connection. Here for example my connection name is so, and thereafter choose a VPN type. You may keep it automatic, otherwise choose a VPN type. I will keep it automatic and type of sign in info, username and password, smart card or OTP, choose as per your choice. We will choose username and password and click on save, and you can see your work VPN now added. Now we will connect it. Choose connect, connecting to your VPN connection. It will take some time. Follow on screen instruction to complete the connection of your VPN connection to your Windows 11 system. You may also turn the toggle button on to allow VPN over metered connection and allow VPN